Now, we do have another graphic that shows some of the common injuries that baseball players may experience in the shoulder. Let's take them, and Doctor, maybe you can chime in on these real quick, one by one.
Certainly. I mean, rotator cuff tendinitis is quite common. Sometimes you can get a bursitis with that at the same time. Sometimes you have something called biceps tendinitis, because what happens is you have the biceps tendon goes up and into the shoulder, and that can get irritated at the same time. We already talked about the bursitis. Slap tears is basically what happens is, when I was talking earlier about the shoulder being a golf ball and a tee, the tee itself has kind of this rubbery I guess, border to it, and that's what's called the glenoid labrum. That can tear, and that's, those are the different kind of labral tears or slap tears that you can get. And then finally, instability and dislocation. You can think of those in two different kinds of ways. One can be traumatic, so if you fall on your shoulder and dislocate your shoulder, usually it's a traumatic instability, and that typically needs to be treated surgically depending on your age. And that will be your dislocation. In throwing athletes, you tend to get a different kind of instability. It's kind of like a chronic instability over time, which is part of the way that pitchers have the ability to throw the ball as fast as they can. But if you get too much out of balance, this can be a problem that needs to be treated, usually with therapy.